Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Afaba Marwa and I am 8 years old. This is my first video and today I am going to teach you how to animate the Scratch cat working from left to right. This tutorial is for those having at least basic knowledge of Scratch. Here is our stage, here is our sprite. We can rename it over here, change its size, drag it from one place to another and change its direction. I'll change it to 99. See it's tracing here. And let's turn it to 90. And then here, this is a big blank space for writing scripts and it is called the script area. And this is the block palette at the left of your screen. And above it is the tabs. And then it has code, customs and sound. Here is the green flag and red stop button. Above it, there is the menu bar. It has file edit tutorials and we can rename it. Okay, so let's start coding. We'll go to events and get one green flag click. This is called hat block. Nothing can be above it, but it can be below it. So now we need to go to controls and get repeat 10. And we'll change the 10 into 24. And then again in controls we need to get wait 1 second and change instead of 1 second 0.3 seconds. Then we'll go to looks and get switch custom to custom 2. This means it will change your costume to any costume you want. And then we need to go to motion and get move 10 steps. It will move 10 steps. Your sprite. See? Okay. Let me change custom to custom 1. If I do move 10 steps, see it went front. Okay, now I'll duplicate this by right clicking at it and duplicating and let me shift it here. Now we'll change the custom 2 into custom 1, save our project and then full screen it and now play. See it's working. And then we'll make it work properly. Let me refresh. And then we'll move my sprite here and change its size to 70. And then we'll save our project and play. Green flag. It's working. See? Our sprite is working. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video.